Well, tonight, another high-profile Oregon murder case being affected by a new law that redefines the definition of aggravated murder. This is KOIN 6 News at 10 o'clock. I'm Jeff Gianola.
And I'm Jennifer Hoff. So this new law could take the death penalty off the table for several defendants, and that includes the man who's accused of the murder and dismemberment of a young mother and model from Aloha.
Well, Jennifer Dowling digging deeper into this tonight, and she's live tonight at the Washington County Courthouse with more. Jennifer?
Good evening. Well, this is a motion to dismiss, and it's asking the court to dismiss 7 out of 10 counts for Jeremiah Johnston. He's involved in that Aloha case. Victims advocates say this new law is a blow to victims and their families. Young mom and aspiring model Sarah Zagul is the latest victim impacted by the passage of Senate Bill 1013.
They look at the criminals as the victims, and the crime victims are forgotten.
She was found dismembered and stuffed into 2 suitcases in the back of a black BMW in January of 2018. Jeremiah Ward Johnson was later arrested and charged with several counts, including aggravated murder.
This man who did things to her in addition to killing her, kidnapped her, tried to conceal the crime, dismembered the body. This was not an ordinary murder.
Yesterday, Johnston's attorneys filed a motion to dismiss all counts, which include the allegation of aggravated murder. The filing says because the definition of aggravated murder has been altered by Senate Bill 1013 to include the word premeditated, the state cannot return to grand jury and re-indict Mr. Johnston under the new language.
99% of the cases that were formerly eligible for the death penalty aren't eligible.
Retired Chief Deputy District Attorney in Multnomah County, Norm Frink, believes lawmakers who pushed the bill wanted to eliminate the death penalty without bringing the issue before the public.
I just think it's reprehensible, and Jennifer Williamson, and not only that, and then of course this is the third thing they've done, is that they've applied it retroactively. I'm just wondering why somebody isn't holding Jennifer Williamson accountable for her duplicity.
The bill was carried by Democratic Rep. Jennifer Williamson of Portland and Democratic Senator Floyd Prozansky of Eugene. I reached out to both and have yet to hear back.
That now we have a law that says that the presumptive sentence for this is life with the possibility of parole after 30 years. So the victims have been completely written off in this state.
And I called and messaged several lawmakers. The only one that got back to me was Representative Jeff Barker of Aloha. He told me he voted no on the bill, and the lawmakers were initially told it would not be retroactive. He felt that this should have gone before the voters, this kind of death penalty issue. He also told me that by phone, Prozansky had offered to perhaps fix this issue during a special session, but that never happened. Back to you.
A story we'll definitely continue to follow. Jennifer, thank you. Now,